This is Dr. Steve with Rockwall CPR. We're going to continue our series on EpiPens and go back to the EpiPen.com website, the frequently asked question page, and we're going to start with about epinephrine. So how does epinephrine work? Well, epinephrine works by constricting the blood vessels to increase blood pressure. It relaxes the smooth muscles. So those are not the skeletal muscles like biceps and triceps and gluteal muscles that you can actively contract. This relaxes the smooth muscles in the lungs to reduce wheezing and improve breathing. It stimulates the heart, so it increases the heart rate and works to reduce hives and the swelling that may occur around the face and the lips. So you can see it constricts the blood vessels to increase the pressure. Is one dose of epinephrine always enough? When might I need two? This is really important. Up to 20%, that's 1 in 5, who receive an initial dose require a second dose. That is why it's so important. Do you have 2 EpiPens available for that person who may need it? Sometimes that allergic reaction can be so severe a second dose is needed. In other cases, a second allergic reaction can occur up to 72 hours, usually within about 8 hours after the initial reaction, even with no further exposure to the allergic trigger. Therefore, it is important that patients at risk have 2 doses of epinephrine available. That's 2 EpiPens. So they usually come in cartons of 2 when you get that prescription. Very, very, very important. So now let's keep going. Your EpiPen auto-injector or its authorized generic. How long have these been available? Well, for about 35 years. Are there generics? Generics. Yes, there are generics. You can ask your pharmacist about those and they will cost you a lot less money. Where's the best place to keep an EpiPen auto-injector? This is a really important one, so pay attention to this. For those of you in the area where I am, which is Texas, it's hot in the summer. Oh boy, is it hot. If you're in Arizona, it's hot. If you're in Georgia and Florida, it's hot. Anywhere in the South, boy, it gets hot. So, you need to store this between 68 and 77 degrees. That's right, between 68 and 77 degrees. So please do not